Greetings, travelers! Almost Christmas time, and I have an early present for you. Devotion 89. The battle against the Philistines was still raging on, and the people were growing weaker and weaker because of Saul's foolish command. But Jonathan, who knew nothing of what his father had said, ended up violating that foolish command. 1 Samuel 14:26. And when the people were coming to the wood, that's what it says. Behold, the honey dropped, but no man put his hand to his mouth, for the people feared the oath. But Jonathan heard not when his father charged the people with the oath. Wherefore he put forth the end of that rod that was in his hand, and dipped it in a honeycomb, and put his hand to his mouth, and his eyes were enlightened. Yum, yum. When people are weak, we Christians often make the mistake of spiritualizing everything. And while many issues certainly are spiritual, sometimes things boil down to physical issues. Jonathan had something to eat, and it strengthened him. When the text tells us that his eyes were enlightened, we would say his face lit up. Being a Christian in an unchristian world is hard enough. It is even harder when we combine poor habits physically with the spiritual battles we face day by day. Do pray and read your Bible and everything else that is of a spiritual nature for a child of God. But do also eat right and exercise and get enough rest. Never make the spiritual harder by being foolish in the physical. I, too, once lifted dumbbells. Eventually, though, they got their own cars. Have a blessed day.